All right, just had to do a quick video of this 58 Apache. Just got this one in. It's just a really fun cruiser style truck, rat rod style shop truck. 58 Apache on a 90s S10 chassis. Truck has a 305 V8, fuel injected, still throttle body injected. I think it was a 95 305, 5-speed trans. Man, just killer patina. Truck has rust, you know. Really cool wheels on it. Back tires are drag radials, just super wide. Interior's got this 3 covered seat belts. You know, no gauges. I need to get some gauges hooked up on it, but new wiring, all the signals work. Got the starter on the floor there. Turn the key. Hit that starter button, there we go. All right, that clutch pedal you do, it grabs when it comes way back. And that's the way it was fabricated, so you could adjust that down a little bit. But really fun truck to drive. Under the hood, you know, power brakes, power steering, good old 91 suspension, which is better than 58. But anyway, nice fun truck. Lit lights, signals, all that work. Get in it and go kind of truck.